from little things, big things grow.
Hi, and welcome back to our training videos. This video is to help guide you through our Xero API features, and in particular setting GL codes or general ledger codes to match your accounting software. So let's get started by clicking on My Settings in the top right hand corner. Let's first take a look at our option Basic Settings. This is where your default GL code has been stored for your CSV exports for your current accounting software. There was only one option here for an income account. Now let's click on the option Accounting down the bottom of the page. You'll now see you have more options to store general ledger codes. The first option is to use your current sales ledger stored under Basic Settings. This is a general ledger code to use for all sales. The next field is to store an income ledger account for your item sales, i.e. if you sell items other than framing, for instance prints. In your accounting software you may have a separate income account called income print sales or income shop sales, as opposed to being a custom framing job. So this is where you can add that income account. The next field is your custom framing jobs. It is more likely this will be the same as your default general ledger account. And the last is the account your payments go to, which would generally be a bank ledger account. Please note that to sync sales with Xero, all these fields need to have an account associated with them. And if you're using Xero, then you should connect to Xero and then come back here and you'll be able to choose directly from the available accounts. So let's do that now. Go down to the bottom and click on Xero. Let's connect by clicking on the Connect to Xero. This will now take you to a login screen where you need to enter your Xero email address and password. For our demonstration, I'm using a demo company, so all I need to do is click Authorize. This will now take us back to the iFramer portal. And you'll see now that we're connected, we also have some more options, such as settings and synchronization. Okay, so we'll come back to those in a moment. Let's first go back to our accounting. Now you'll see that we have drop-down boxes to choose our codes. So we've got item sales for our GL codes for items, we've got the sales income for our jobs, and our default bank account, we're using the business bank account. Okay, so click Save to make sure they take effect. That's your general accounts now all set up. Let's go back to the Xero and look at the settings. Okay, so click on Settings over on the right hand side. You'll see we have 6 settings, all of which are either on or off. Tick to turn on. Here you decide what information you want to take to Xero. You can sync all your quotes, orders and invoices, or just any one or combination. I'm going to leave just invoices synced. I also want to update Xero with any payments. Xero can only update payments to invoices that have come across from iFramer, which means you cannot create an invoice in Xero and take that across to iFramer. We also want to sync our customers. If you do not sync your customers, then all sales go over as a cash sale. So click to save your stored settings, and you're now ready to sync your sales and payments from iFramer to your accounting software, which we'll cover in the next video. Bye for now.
From